sit there, and I'll tuck you in. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Tuck, tuck, tuck. There you go, nice and warm. And here's your water bottle. Drink it up. There you go. Now what do you want to do? When I was sick, Mama let me watch TV. It made me feel a lot better. Do you want to watch TV, Elephant? I'll bet it'll make you feel better, too. You see? It's the Eggman.
All right, omelet lovers, crack those eggs.
Mix and mix and mix. Crack those eggs.
Doesn't that make you want to eat?
Do you want to watch something else, Elephant? Okay, baseball! Baseball made me feel better when I had the chicken pox. Elephant steps up to the plate, and here's the pitch. Elephant swings. Crack! It's a hit! It's a long fly ball! Run, Elephant, run! You don't want to play baseball, do you? What do you want to do now? I know. You need a get well card. I'm going to make you one. Don't move. Get well, Elephant. Get well soon. Almost finished. Ta-da! Look, Elephant. I made a get well card for you. See? That's you rolling in your ball. And here's your wheel. And that's me. You don't feel any better, do you?
Hey, Little Bill. How's Elephant doing?
I think he's still sick.
Oh, I'm sorry. Why don't you start getting ready for bed, son?
Okay. Come on, Elephant.